guys, we are here in Udaipur and we will be entering now to the Udaipur City Palace. Just taking up the tickets and all that. When you go inside the palace, it is compulsory to have your mask on. So that's why we are keeping a mask on. Yeah.
It is unbelievable in this mask.
Because we walked a lot and came. So now we are heading towards the City Palace. Let's go. So guys, we are entering now the City Palace and we have taken the tour guide as well. And yeah, let me just show you around.
Time has come to say goodbye. No matter where we go in life, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
The City Palace in Udaipur is considered to be the largest royal complex in Rajasthan, and the magnificent palace is built on Lake Pichola in 1559 by Maharana Uday Singh. The entry fees for this city palace is 300 rupees, and if you're taking the camera, additionally you have to pay 150 rupees. Highly recommend to have a guide along with you so that he can tell you every possible detail about this beautiful palace.
इसमें तो पुराने पैलेस है, ये पैलेस के फोटोग्राफ और कोई ये 1969 के बाद बनवाई नहीं है। और अभी आप लोग जो एंटर हुए ये सिटी पैलेस कॉम्प्लेक्स का सबसे पुराना एंट्रेंस है बड़ी से 1955 तक कस्टम था, ओपन हेडेड कोई भी जेंट्स अलाउ नहीं था। कॉम्बिनेशन से करने की बिल्डिंग करती है 55 तक है। अभी जो रहा है ना इनके ग्रैंडफादर रहे थे।
Love of mine. Time has come to say goodbye. No matter where.
This chamber is an integral part of the inner areas of the palace and has a detailed illustration of three peacocks which represent seasons of the summer, winter and monsoon. The peacock have been designed with 5,000 pieces of glasses which is sheen in green, gold, blue and color which you're seeing right now. At the upper level there is a projecting balcony which is flanked by inserted of colors and in the glasses. This was initially royal treasury, now the house of Lord Krishna. Sheesh Mahal is also known as the Palace of Mirror. It was built in 1716 by Maharana Pratap for his wife Maharani, and the ladies' chamber, which is Zina Mahal, has been converted into the museum which is open for all the public.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Love of mine. Time has come to say goodbye. No matter where we go in life, I'll be there for you. 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 I'll be there for you.
After finishing the city palace tour, we decided to go and have some authentic Rajasthani food which is nearby Lake Pichola. This is the hotel named Trident, or we wanted to try their traditional food and also not to forget the lal mas. So we did order lal mas tandoori roti, which you can see here. It was super duper yummy and the view was breathtaking.
So guys, we finished having our lunch and it is getting cold, and guess what, I forgot to bring my jacket which is in the hotel room, and look at them, they all are so warm, and I forgot to bring my jacket. And from here we are going to Bagur Ki Haveli. Let me take you there.
To end our evening, we decided to go on a boat ride. So this is near Fateh Sagar Lake, and you can hear the beautiful music, the ambience, and the beautiful sunset. And yeah, do not forget to check the street food at Fateh Sagar Lake. They have some amazing, delicious food which we tried, and of course, इतनी ठंड में कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Hi guys, good morning. We are here at Udaipur. It's day 2 and that's Velika. Today we are going to Monsoon Palace, and also we'll be going to Karni Mata temple, which is a must place to visit. So I'll take you around with me. So guys, we reached Sajjangarh Fort, which is Monsoon Palace. We decided to take a two-wheeler because the government transport was not available at the moment, and they are pretty expensive for everything. For parking, for entry. Of course, it's part of tourism, I agree. However, they are very expensive, guys. And I've got so bad cold. My eyes are swollen so badly. And now we'll take you inside to the fort.
I'll be there for you. 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 I'll be there for you.
So guys, we came back from Monsoon Palace. It was good experience, very nice, and now we reached here at Amrai Ghat. Meanwhile, before going to the ghat, we decided to have some quick bite. Hashtag Foodies, that's the restaurant name, which is just opposite to Amrai Ghat, the place. And yeah guys, it's very expensive in Udaipur. The transportation is very expensive. On the other hand, the food is very reasonable, and the reason transportation is expensive, and also you have to bargain a bit with the auto people, that's something which I don't enjoy doing. But however, I did it here a lot, and yeah guys, that's about it. And my face is swollen because of cold, and you can't make out in this front camera, but yeah, it's very cold. We were not prepared, so yesterday I had to buy this jacket, and we bought this from Tibetan market. Here they have a huge Tibetan market, guys, do check out. And yeah, everything is very nice, very pleasant weather. Yeah, yesterday and today afternoon it did rain, but yeah, other than that, a pleasant weather. Very cold. Yeah, I'll show you what all I ordered. And we are at the Amrai Ghat. Wow, so beautiful.
So guys, if you're coming towards the city palace, do check out Amrai Ghat, because Amrai Ghat has a better view compared to city palace, because that side is little crowded. So this has lovely view guys. तो अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने होटल, which is very close by to Amravati, no, Amrai Ghat, which is very close by to that. So there is a bridge here. See this?
कौन सा मंदिर है? जगदीश टेम्पल। वो उधर सिटी पैलेस है, जगदीश टेम्पल है उधर।
See? Good morning guys, we are traveling to Jodhpur and we are in the bus. So guys, we are just stopped here in middle of nowhere. Basically it's a small village. Our bus tire got busted completely, injured, and they were asked us to evacuate the bus from the bus. Yeah, it's another adventure, and yeah, pretty different here. So let me just show you around. People are all sitting for the bus to get repaired, and so that we can go ahead to Jodhpur.